Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 7. It is on natural resources. Natural means prakritik and resources mean sampad. So, this is the prakritik sampad. That means the things we are getting directly from the nature. These natural resources are the gift of nature to us. From morning to night, we use so many things for our daily needs, like our books, pens, our clothes, our furnitures, our household things. Everything comes from some other natural resources. There are 6 types of natural resources. They are water resource, forest resource, land resource, mineral resource, sunlight and wind. Now I am going to explain about the sources and the uses of these 6 natural resources. Water. It is very important natural resource. We get water from ocean, lake, river, pond, rainfall, and this water is used mainly for drinking, our cooking, washing clothes, cultivating, that means krishi kaj, and we get food from the water also. Fish we can get from water, and another important use of water is we can make electricity from this water. Next, we are going to discuss about the forest resource. Forest means jungle, where you can get plenty of trees, and trees are the main source of wood which we can use in our daily life, like building materials, furnitures, for making our houses, and moreover, most importantly is from the wood we can get our paper. That means our books, notebooks, all are prepared from this wood. That means from the forest resource. In villages, the village people, they get heat and light energy by burning this wood in time of winter. Now we are going to discuss about the land resources. In the chapter 3, we know that the outermost layer of the earth is called the soil, that is our land resource. We use this land resource, that means soil, for mainly growing crops and farming the livestock. Livestock means farming of cattle or animals for food. We build our houses also on land. That soil or land is also provide us building materials like cement, sand, etc. And we can make potteries from this land resources. Next, another important resource is mineral resource. Mineral means whatever we get by digging the earth. The Bengali of mineral resource is khonijo padartho. That means the things we get by digging the soil. Mati khure jegulo amra pai, that are the mineral resource. Different minerals are gold, silver, copper, mane tama, iron, mane loha. These are different minerals. And we can use this to make jewelry, coin, mane paisa, different building materials, etc. Next come the rocks. Rocks like limestone or chuna pathor, marble, these are called different rocks. They are also used for building materials, chalk, making of chalk, and so many important things for our life. Another important mineral resource is fuels. That means যেগুলো জ্বালিয়ে আমরা energy and heat পাই, like oil, that means petroleum, coal, that means koila, and natural gas or prakritik gas. That is our useful fuel. We get heat and energy for running machines, vehicles, cooking our food, and also producing electricity. Next to natural resources like sunlight and wind, these two are called the other natural resources. These two we can get plenty in our earth. We use these two natural resources to get energy. Sun is the main source of energy of the earth. It provides us light and heat energy, and the plants use this sunlight for making their food, and we get this sun's energy by getting this food. So sun provides us light and heat energy, and also we make electricity from the sunlight by using the solar panels. These solar panels are used in huge amount nowadays because these are called the alternating source of energy. Then comes the wind energy. Wind also have immense energy. We can also generate electricity from this wind. They are called the windmills. In seashore, that means in the coastal region, there are so many windmills you can find, and the villages get electricity from this windmill. We can use wind energy for drying our clothes also. So these are our 6 natural resources. Now there is a classification among these 6 natural resources. They can be classified by renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource, that means that resources are available plenty. That means enough it available in the earth. But non-renewable resource, they are not available, and if they finish once, we will not get it back again. So among these 6 natural resources, wind and sunlight are mainly the renewable resource. That means until earth exists, we will get that wind and sunlight energy. But non-renewable resources like the mineral resource, coal, oil and natural gas, that cannot be replaced for millions of years once it has been used up. So whenever we use our energy, we should be very careful that it may be finished one day. You can find many types of natural resources in Bangladesh. The main mineral resource of Bangladesh is natural gas. We also get coal and some minerals. Bangladesh has so many greens there and full of rivers. So plants, animals, air, soil, sunlight, all are available plenty in Bangladesh. Some rocks also available here like silicon, zircon. This silicon is used in making some electronic devices, and zircon is used for making jewelries. So these all are the natural resources of Bangladesh. Now you follow the video and read your textbook page number 48, 49 and 50 carefully. And now you fill this chart in your notebook. There are some names written as book, jewelry, house, car, fuel. We have to write from which natural resources we get this. Books. We get books mainly from the forest resource. House. For making house, we have to use forest resource, land resource, mineral resource. Jewelry. For making jewelry, we have to use mineral resource. Car fuel. We can get car fuel from different mineral resource which are called fuels, mainly oil, coal or natural gas. So fill this chart. This is your homework. Thank you students for watching this video. You go through your textbook properly, and if you have any doubt, you can write on the comment section, and stay safe and healthy at your home. Thank you.